Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to second PUC Statistics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed about some important problems of chi-square test for independence of attributes. In this class we are going to discuss the remaining problems of chi-square test for independence of attributes. In that, problem number 5, that is to test the effectiveness of vaccination against tuberculosis. The following table was obtained, that is use alpha is equal to 1% level of significance. Here given informations are like this: attacked and not attacked, in the sense that is tuberculosis. Here tuberculosis attacked and tuberculosis not attacked, and this is vaccination, that is vaccinated and not vaccinated. So here what are the given attributes? Here given attributes are vaccination and tuberculosis. So let's see the test procedure. In that step 1 is setting up of null hypothesis, that is denoted by H naught. Null hypothesis is denoted by H naught, and we discussed in test procedure H naught is two attributes are independent. See here two given attributes are vaccination and tuberculosis. So here H naught is tuberculosis and vaccinations are independent. So here H naught is vaccination and tuberculosis are independent. Then what is step 2? Step 2 is setting up of alternative hypothesis, and alternative hypothesis is denoted by H1. See what is H1 here, alternative hypothesis, that is possible rejection of H naught. So here H1 is vaccination and tuberculosis are not independent. In the test procedure also we had discussed about that, that is H1 is two attributes are not independent or two attributes are dependent. So based on that, here two attributes are vaccination and tuberculosis in this problem. Therefore H1 is vaccination and tuberculosis are not independent, or vaccination and tuberculosis are dependent. So H1 is vaccination and tuberculosis are dependent. So this is H naught and H1. Let's see the step 3. Step 3 is test statistics. That is see, based on 2x2 contingency table we can write test statistics. So here given observations are attacked and non-attacked observation and vaccinated and not vaccinated observation. That information I will write in 2x2 contingency table. So this column is vaccinated, I will write V. This is not vaccinated, that I will write NV. And here attacked tuberculosis, so I will write A. This is not attacked tuberculosis, that I will write NA. Okay, this column is total and this column is total. Okay, we discussed in test procedure the first frequency is A and this is B and this is C and this is D, and this total is A plus B and this is C plus D and this is A plus C and this is B plus D, and this total is denoted by capital letter N. See the observation here. What is A observation? A observation is 12 and B observation is 45, C observation is 65 and D observation is 10. Okay, now we need to find total of that. So first we have to find A plus B. that is 12 plus 45 is 57. Next 65 plus 10, that is 75. Next here 12 plus 65, that is 77. Next here B plus D, that is 45 plus 10, that is 55. Then what is capital letter N? First I will calculate these two, that is 57 plus 75, that is 132, and next I will just cross check, that is 77 plus 55, that is also 132, or else we can do this 12 plus 45 plus 65 plus 10, that is also 132. Okay, here we got two contingency table values. Now based on this table we can write chi-square. So test statistics, chi-square is equal to capital letter N into A into D minus B into C whole square divided by A plus B into C plus D into A plus C into D plus B or B plus D, which follows chi-square with 1 degrees of freedom. So now I will substitute all these values. Before that, let's see the conditions of chi-square test for independence of attributes. See here the important conditions are, in that first one, the total frequency N should be large. See, in this problem here N is 132, that is greater than, N should be large in the sense what? That is greater than or equal to 50. See here in this problem that capital letter N is 132, that is large, more than 50, so first condition is satisfied. And the second condition is the observation should be random or independent. Here given observation is based on vaccination and tuberculosis, that both are independent, so second condition also satisfied. And the third condition, each of the expected cell frequencies, that is EI, should be 5 or more. See, these are the expected frequencies, that is 12, 45, 65 and 10. These four values are more than 5, so third condition also satisfied. Then now we can apply this formula to this observation. See here capital letter N is 132 into A into D, that is 12 into 10 minus 45 into B into C. B is 45, C is 65. So 45 into 65 divided by A plus B. So A plus B is 57 into C plus D, that is 75 into A plus C, that is 77 into B plus D, that is 55. Now this is equal to, first I will simplify denominator terms, that is 57 into 75 into 77 into 55, that is 18104,625, that is 1,81,04,625. Next I will solve these terms. Here square is there. Yeah, first I will solve this one, that is 132 into first 12 into 10, that is 120 minus 45 into 65, that is 925 square, whole square. Yeah, next 120 minus 2925, that is minus 2805, then we have to take square of that, that is we got one value into this one 132, it divided by this one 1,81,04,625. Here we got the observation, that is 57.36. So this is calculated value. So here calculated value is 57.36. Next, see here alpha. What is alpha here? Level of significance is 1% and degrees of freedom, that is given here, degrees of freedom is 1. Then critical value, therefore critical value see, we know that chi-square test for independence of attributes is always upper tail test. If it is upper tail test, we need to find K2 value from statistical table. So here K2 values, see here alpha is 1% and degrees of freedom is 1. So here K2 value is 6.65. And see upper tail test in the sense what, that is right tail test. If it is right tail test, here rejection region located at right tail of the probability curve. So this is rejection region and here K2 value is 6.65. And see here calculated value is 57.36. That comes here. This is calculated value, that is 57.36. Okay, now this is 57. See here this is rejection region and this is acceptance region. See here calculated value lies in rejection region, therefore H not rejected. Here calculated value lies in rejection region, therefore H not rejected. Or one more condition is there. This is upper tail test in the sense what the condition is like this: chi-square test, chi-square calculated value less than or equal to K2. Here calculated value is 57.36 and K2 value is 6.65. See here 57.36 is greater than 6.65. See here condition is not satisfied. If condition is not satisfied, H not rejected. If H not rejected, H1 accepted. So what is H1 here? H1 is vaccination and tuberculosis are dependent, or vaccination and tuberculosis are not independent. Therefore conclusion is vaccination and tuberculosis are dependent. This is the conclusion. Let's move to problem number 6, that is, from the following data test whether examination result and special coaching are independent and use alpha is equal to 1% level of significance. Here see given information is like this: special coaching, that is taken and not taken, and examination results are like this: pass and fail. And here total observations are total of special coaching classes are given, that is special coaching class taken total is 300 and special coaching class not taken observation is total observation is 100. Like that examination results are total observations are also given, that is here total passed observations are 270 and total fail observations are 130 and overall total is 400. And let's see what are the given information like this. See first, this is 2 cross 2 contingency table. Here the first observation, that is 210, that is coaching class, special coaching classes taken and they passed in examination also, like that. That is A. Next what this is B. What is B? B is here special coaching classes are taken but they failed in final examination results. So they failed in examination, that is B. And next what is C? C is special coaching class are not taken but they passed in examination, that is C. Then what is 40? 40 is D. So D in the sense what? That is special coaching classes are not taken and they failed in examination, that is D observation. See here 2, 10, 90, 60, 40 are the frequencies. Now let's see what is this. What is this? 300 in the sense what? That is 210 plus 90. So 210 plus 90 in the sense what? That is A plus B. Then here then 100 in the sense what? That is C plus D. 60 plus 40 is 100, isn't it? So here 100 in the sense that is C plus D. C plus D in the sense 60 plus 40 is 100. Then what is 270? 270 is 210 plus 60, that is 270 in the sense that is A plus C. Here A observation is 210 and C observation is 60. Like that, what is 130? 130 is B plus D. So B is 90 and D is 40. So 90 plus 40 is 130. So B plus D is 40. And we know that total observation is denoted by capital letter N. So here capital letter N is 400. Okay, these are the given observations. Before going to test procedure, let's see the conditions of test chi-square test for independence of attributes. See, there are three important conditions are there. That first condition number 1 is the total frequency N should be large and it should be greater than 50. See, in our problem the given capital letter N is 400, that is more than 50, so first condition is satisfied. And second condition, that is the observation should be random or independent. See, here the given informations are based on examination and special coaching class. So here both are independent, both are not independent attributes. So second condition also satisfied. And the third condition, each of the expected cell frequencies EI should be 5 or more. See, in this problem the cell frequencies are like this, that is 210, 90, 60, 40. Okay, see, these four observations are more than 5. So third condition also satisfied. Now let's see the test. So then now we can apply test procedure of chi-square test for independence of attributes because it satisfies all the three conditions. So what is step 1 in test procedure? In the test procedure, step 1 is setting up of null hypothesis, that is H0. So in test procedure we discussed that H0 is always two attributes are independent. Here given two attributes are, one is examination result, another one is special coaching. So I will write here H0 is examination result and special coaching class are independent. Examination result and special coaching class are independent. Then what is step 2? Step 2 is setting up of alternative hypothesis, that is just opposite of null hypothesis. So here we can write examination result and special coaching class are dependent. Okay, this is step 1 and step 2, and step 3 is test statistics. So that is what is test statistics? See, using this 2 cross 2 contingents table we can write chi-square test statistic, that is chi-square is equal to n into AD minus BC whole square divided by A plus B into C plus into A plus C into B plus D, which follows chi-square with 1 degrees of freedom. And okay, now all the observations are given in the question. So now I will substitute all the observation under this formula. That is, this is equal to, what is capital letter N? Your capital letter N is 400 into, what is A? Here A is 210 and B is 40. So in the place A into B I will substitute that values, that is 210 into 40 minus B into C. Here B is 90, C is 60. So here I will write 90 into 60. Then whole square divided by, what is A into B? Here A into B is 300 into C plus plus D, so that is 100 into A plus C, that is 270 into B plus D, that is 130. See here, A plus B is 300, C plus D is 100, then A plus C is 270 and D plus B is 130. So these are the given information I substituted in the under the formula. Okay, this is equal to, first I will solve denominator, that is 300 into 100 into 270 into 130, that is 1053000000. These are simplification of denominator. Okay, now I will solve this one, that is 400 into 210 into 40, that is 8400 minus 90 into 60, that is 5400 whole square. So this is equal to, see, first I will solve this one, that is 8400 minus 5400, then that value is 3000. So 3000 square is, we got some value, into 400, next divided by this terms, that is 1053000000. Yeah, that answer is 3.41. So here calculated value is calculated value is 3.41. Okay, this is calculated chi-square value. Okay, now this is step 3. Next move to step 4. So here given alpha observation is, that is level of significance is 1% and degrees of freedom. Here degrees of freedom is 1. Therefore critical value, see, this is upper tail test, therefore we need to find critical value K2, that is in the table. So here alpha is 1%. So upper tail test in the sense what we need to find in one tail test. So here alpha is 1% and degrees of freedom is 1. Then here we need to find K2 value, that is 6.65. So this is table value. This is upper tail test in the sense what? This is right tail test. If it is right tail test, here rejection region located at right side of the probability curve like this. So this is rejection region, the value is 6.65 and this is acceptance region. See, here calculated value is 3.41, that value comes here. This is calculated value, that is 3.41. See, here calculated value lies in acceptance region, therefore H not accepted. Here calculated value lies in acceptance region, therefore H not accepted. Or the condition is like this, because it is upper tail test, that is chi-square calculated value less than or equal to K2 value. Here chi-square calculated value is 3.41 and K2 value is 6.65. Then sign. See here 6.65 is greater than 6.14. Here see, here condition is satisfied, therefore H not accepted. If H not accepted, then what is the conclusion? Conclusion is examination result and special coaching class are independent. Conclusion is examination result and special coaching class are independent. This is the conclusion. Yes. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.